everybody, it's Miss McConville.
And Mr. Daniels. So today we're going to do a science experiment. If you remember from my class, I know that we've been over this, the steps of the scientific method. And the very first step is to ask a question. And so Miss McConville and I were outside and we were playing in the snow, and we got out our ruler and we measured that there were 6 inches of snow outside. And so Miss McConville asked, what is more, 6 inches of snow or 6 inches of rain? And I thought, that's a silly question. Aren't they the same? But Miss McConville didn't think so. And so we went on to the second question of the scientific method, which is to do some research. And so we read some books about weather, and the book said that snow is less dense than rain. And so for my class, we have learned that density, and I'll go zoom in real quick close so you can see it. Density is mass divided by volume. Remember that mass is how heavy something is divided by how much space it takes. So if I filled up a glass of water, let me grab another glass, and I filled it up the exact same amount as the cup that Miss McConville filled with snow, and we'll have her feel them and decide which one she thinks is heavier.
I believe the water is much heavier.
That's what I was feeling too. That the water feels much heavier. So we could say that the water is more dense than the snow. So for our experiment today, we're going to try to figure out how much water is there in the snow. So I'm going to take a marker, and I'm going to put a mark right where... Oh, that marker didn't work at all. I'll put a mark right where our snow is, and I might need to dry it off. Yeah, let me get a paper towel and dry it off. Miss McConville, tell a joke while I get a paper towel.
So here's a funny joke. What did the... Oh, look, Mr. Daniels is back.
Oh, man, it sounded like it was going to be a good one.
It was.
All right, so we'll dry that off and now see if we can make a little mark. We'll put a mark. It really just doesn't want to work. You know what? We can grab a... Nope. I'll just grab a Sharpie and I'm sure it'll come off. You got more time to tell your joke.
What did the alligator say to the piranha? That's when you...
Oh, what?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, man.
Next time.
Okay, so we make a little mark where their snow is now, and then we will each take turns guessing where we think that the water will end.
Once it's all melted.
Yes.
How much
So
water will be
I'll go first, and I'll say maybe that it'll be about the halfway mark. Oh, and I'll put a little D there so we know that that's my guess.
And just because I can feel that there's such a big difference between this full glass of water and this full glass of snow, I think that it's going to be even less than that. So I'm going to go a little bit below, and I'll put an M. And that's my prediction.
All right. So now all we need to do is sit and wait. So we're going to turn on a special function of the camera so that it'll film it, but it'll film really fast, and so we can see the water or the snow start to melt into water.
Okay.